This is Series 1, Episode 53. I'm going to be talking about British Land Company PLC, ticker symbol BLND.L. Ticker symbol's here in the left hand corner. So I'm talking about a British stock because the British stock market is one of the most undervalued stock markets in the world at the moment. So there's definitely value to be had there. And with the stock markets in America, particularly the NASDAQ stocks, technology being so painful at the moment, I'm trying to diversify, as I've talked about in previous videos. I'm feeling the pain on those stocks, particularly Palantir and Neo. But Palantir particularly is a long-term trade for me, so I'm not too worried, and that's why your money management rules are so important. But now I'll speak about this stock, and let me explain my analysis here so you can make an informed decision. First thing, this is a value stock. Why? I'll show you. If I go out to the wider time frame, you'll see that this is where price was historically and this is where we are now. Heavily sold off this stock. Now I want to talk about the technical side of it, and of course I've drawn in some lines here just to keep the video short as possible. So let me show you what I'm seeing technically. First thing I see is this, and I talk about this a lot, basing pattern, and you have a kind of cup and handle situation there. And it's not perfect drawing, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say there. Base and then a handle. That's the first point. Then I see this flag formation. Again, I've talked about all of this previously. Look how price is contained within a box, and it's consolidating. So potentially it could go back up again and maybe break out. So that's the second reason. The third reason is something I don't tend to draw on these charts because I try and keep things simple for people, but I've drawn in this trend line as well. Now look at the price. Price has hit that trend line there, and again there, and again there, and again recently. It's a very strong support trend line, and of course we have this obvious support along here. So there's lots of reasons for this to hold at this point. Doesn't mean it's going to hold, but a lot of good reasons for it to hold. And look at this. We also have a round number, 500. So that's £5 or 500 pence. Round number, psychological. Traders love round numbers. Anyone that's been trading for a while will know that. So we have a lot of reasons for this to hold at this point. So look at how it's contained, as I said. Right on this support. Look at X marks a spot, that right there. Look at it. Very strong support area. Let me clear that up now. So there's the analysis, and I've already drawn in the stop loss area and the take profit area, again to keep the video shorter. And I've drawn it, instead of drawing it on a chart, I've put it onto a notepad, a word pad. Let me show you. So here's my trade idea, and before I talk about it, if you act upon this information, that is entirely up to you. This is my trade, my analysis. I'm just showing you a potential trade on this stock, and this is my idea. The entry, I want to see price less than 500, so less than £5. Stop loss at 460 pence, so £4.60, and take profit, minimum take profit 540. So there it is on the chart. You can see by the dotted line, that's the take profit up there, that's the stop loss up there, down there. So that's the trade idea, guys. It's a nice trade plan because you know exactly where you can get out if it goes wrong, and you know exactly where you could potentially take profit if it starts going right. So there it is. British Land Company looks really nice, especially with all the turmoil in the general markets at the moment. It's nice to have these lower risk trades. Now this is a 8% stop loss and 8% take profit compared to my usual 20%. It's because the British stocks tend to move a lot slower than the American counterparts, but I think that's a nice setup there. As always, guys, if you like what I do, please feel free to share this video, like and subscribe, and I will continue to do videos as I find these strong setups. So I wish you the best of luck, and of course I will do another video as soon as I find another decent setup, so I'll speak to you then. I wish you the best of luck.